Welcome to Now Vauxhall. Here today we have a Vauxhall CASCADA 2 litre diesel Elite fitted with a manual gearbox. The CASCADA is finished in very metallic and was registered on the 31st of the 1st 2015, and as you can see is on a 64 plate. The CASCADA has a full electric folding roof which can be done either manually with the key or with a button inside the vehicle. Now this vehicle was originally a Vauxhall demonstrator and had a lot of additional specifications added to the car from brand new. It had the 20-inch alloy upgrade, it had the full black perforated leather seating interior with air-conditioned front seats. It also had the full Navi 950 IntelliLink satellite navigation system, has adapted forward lighting. It also had the acoustic 3-layer roof system which cuts down on a lot of wind noise and road traffic noise as well. CASCADA still gets quite a big sized boot, although the convertible does fold into the boot, but you have ample space for 2 cases. This shelf is a protector so you can actually operate the roof, but it folds down and there's additional space in there as well. This vehicle also got a space saver spare wheel which was an additional feature. Folding rear seats. It actually has only 19,000 miles on the clock. Tinted glass all round and electric folding wing mirrors and electric mirrors front and rear. Gets the full electric seats, leather rimmed steering wheel and automatic lights. Bluetooth was also standard with USB connection. Now this is a now approved vehicle and comes fully serviced and ready to go with a minimum of 3 months comprehensive warranty. You can reserve this vehicle online for a no quibble £100 deposit or call our internet sales team to arrange a convenient appointment. If you're thinking of finance, we are confident we can beat any high street lender with our flexible dealer funded plans. Thank you for visiting Now Vauxhall.